Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create a 3D intro in just a few minutes without paying any single rupee. You can try this website through your laptop, or it's also have the Android app, so you can use your Android phone also. Flixpress.com. Okay. So you have to create a login ID. So it is also having some pricing. So if you go on pricing, so we have the free features also. So I'm going to create this free plan. So just click on register. So you can use your Google account or you can use create your username, first name, last name, and email ID. Okay. So I already have account. Okay. So let me log in it. So after you log in, you will see there is a different templates are there like intro, slideshow, promo, some special occasion. So we can click and see what are the free plans are there. So multiple free plans are there. You can see that written here as a free plan. You can go and take your mouse. You can see that how it looks like. If I click here, if I take my mouse in here, so let me create a click on intro and let's see what are the intro are free. So these are the few intros are free. So I'm going to use this intro. Just click on this and you will click into here. You can see the entire intro. So free account will have 2 minutes free. So I already use a few seconds. So 1 minute 24 seconds is free. So we have to click on customize and you have to choose the color. So if I choose any color blue, green, red or purple, let I choose the purple. So I am going to use as a top my company name and what is the my bottom message. Okay. So if you want to add your additional audio, you can add it. Otherwise, you can use this 1080p because it will look like more. So duration of this is 12 seconds. You can see the preview. So when it will create something. So if you want to see the preview, you have to go on my preview. So your preview is getting generated. It takes 2 seconds, get generated. Here you can see it is created and I can click on preview. So which color I have used? I have used the violet color. So here you can see this violet color is there and I need to click on place order. Okay, so it will ask you are sure, then because it will detect the number of 12 seconds from the my free account. So here you can see it will take again your order is being processed and it will appear soon. So here you can see my plan is free and I have remaining 1 minute 12 seconds. So in this account I can create only 2 minutes of videos as a free. Okay, and I have shown you the already the what is the plans are available. So yes, so you can click on download or share. I am downloading as a HD version. So it will give you some professional look when you are creating it. Okay? So hope you like this. and I will come with more videos. Thank you everyone.